The single biggest reason you have zero passive income is that you are obsessing over the wrong number. For months, you've been chasing a high-yield percentage, looking for that 7% or 10% return. That is the trap. It is a loser's game designed to keep you distracted. The secret to building real, scalable passive income isn't the percentage, it's the share count. This is the system they don't teach you. In this briefing, I will give you the two-step blueprint to escape the percentage trap and build a true cash flow machine by focusing on the only metric that matters. Step 1. You must acquire shares of a dominant cash-flowing asset. We are not gambling on high-yield fantasies. We are buying a piece of a real world-class business that has a proven history of paying and increasing its dividend. Think of a dividend ETF like SCHD or a Dividend King. Step 2. You must adopt a share accumulation mindset. Your new goal is not a dollar amount. It is a specific number of shares. For example, your first mission is to acquire 100 shares. Every single dollar of dividends you receive is not treated as income. It is immediately reinvested to buy more shares. Every spare dollar from your paycheck is deployed to buy more shares. This is a paradigm shift. Chasing yield makes you a gambler. Accumulating shares of a great business makes you an owner. A 10% yield on $100 is a meaningless $10. But owning 1,000 shares of a company that is committed to paying you more every single year, that is a financial fortress. Stop chasing percentages. Start accumulating shares. That is the blueprint. That is the physics of fortune.